Hello everyone, my name is Silal Chin. Thank you all so much for coming and watching my YouTube channel. Today we'll be teaching you how to connect your Kobo Toolbox with your app, okay, Kobo Collect app or the ODK app. It's the same procedure, but for this video, I have focused a lot on Kobo Collect app. Now, this is important, especially when you have to deploy your form to the field. In places like Northwest and Southwest, where we have the ongoing crisis, where you have amazing partners in the field, when we deploy data, we always advise that they use the Kobo Collect app because it is very cost effective. One, two, it is very accessible in terms of internet when it comes to times when we have internet challenges. Okay, once this tool or this app has been downloaded in your phone and connected to your online Kobotoolbox form, it becomes so easy and so flexible for you to use it in the field to collect data. So that is what we are trying to do. I will show you how to connect this Kobotoolbox online tool to your Kobo Collect app, and this is very important for you to learn as we move forward. Please share this video as far as you can, and let's jump in so I show you what I mean.
Yes, guys, so after creating your Kobotoolbox form and you want to deploy the form to send to the field, and you want data collectors to use their phones to connect to the app, Kobo Collect or ODK app, what you are going to do is come to your form here, okay, and then you deploy. I'll just redeploy this form, and you see after you deploy the form, there is an option here that says collect data. You take this different option. Here you have online, offline, online only, online single submission. You have different options, but here I want you to come to this option that says Android application. Okay, Android application, and then you click that option. Once you click this option, you realize that you would find some things. You will find some information. It says install Kobo Collect on your Android device. Make sure you install this. We'll show you how to do this in a moment. The next thing is select the option manually enter your project details. Okay, on that Kobotoolbox app or Kobo Collect. We'll get to that soon. And then after that, you enter the server URL, which is https://kc/eu kobotoolbox.org. okay, you enter this then, and you enter your username and password of this account. If you have another account, you enter the username and password of that account. Okay, and then you will now select download form and select this project, and select start new form and select this project from the list of the download projects. So we are going to go through this process right now. Okay, but before we go there, you need to come here and see I just entered this system. So this is a username and this is the password. So I'm going to send this password and send it into my phone. So I want to enter my phone now and show you how this works. Okay, so we'll put this. So remember, we have to put this link here. Okay, after we put this link, and then we also put this username and this password. Okay, let me show you how that works in my phone. So right now we have my phone here. This is my phone here, you see. So this is my phone here. You have my phone here, and then you have this information we have here. Let me put my phone this way, and then we're going to be moving from this link, bringing this link into my app, and then coming back here. Okay, and then coming back here. Okay, let me bring my phone back on. All right, we are here. Okay, so pay attention to this phone. So here I'll just go to Play Store. Okay, I go to search, and then I go to Kobo Collect. Okay, and once I go to Kobo Collect, here it is already showing open. It means I had already downloaded. You who have not downloaded, you will see download, and once you download, it turns to this open. You click on that open option, it opens the form. You come here, you are seeing all these options here because I had already downloaded this form and started using, okay, with other forms. So here you will come to this small dot here, K, and you click. in other versions, if it's your first time of downloading this form, this app, you will notice that these other areas may not appear. Okay, these other areas that you see here, they may not appear. What you see exactly is this option. You come to this add project, okay, and then you click this add project. Once you click this add project, two options will appear. You will see the code option, and then you will see this option that says manually enter project details, and you click. Once you manually enter project details, this position here, you will put this URL here, this one. You will copy this one and send to your data collectors. Okay, they will put here, right? They will put here, send to your data collectors. They are gonna put here, and then the username that we saw, they are also gonna put down to this other option here, and then they are going to put the password here. Okay, so let's do this, and then I show you how to enter into this form. Okay guys, so we have brought this URL here, and then we have brought the username and the password. So I'll just go here to this add, and then I click add. Okay, and once I do that, I come now to download form. You see what's happening? So it's already downloading the form from the server. Okay, make sure you have a good internet, and then you see that it goes into my Kobotoolbox system here and select all the forms. It selects all the forms. So I'm going to go and look out for this form that says Kobotoolbox. Okay, this is the form here. So I'm going to go and look for this form that says Kobotoolbox. Let's see it in my phone. I'm inside my phone now. Let's see how it works. Okay, you see, so I have entered, I've just entered my phone, and here we are. I'll just go look for the form. Where is the form? This is the form here. Okay, this is the form that says Kobotoolbox. So what I'll do first of all is that I'll unselect all of them. Okay, I'll unselect all of them first, and when I unselect all of them, these are your data collection people in the field. So they'll select only this project because these are other projects in my system. Okay, so that URL affects all the projects. So when I select this one, it selects this option that says get selected. I'll click now. Okay, so this is how you can guide those who are collecting the data to get the form. So this says okay, it says all download successful, and I click OK. Immediately now I come to start new form as we were guided, and now I have this form. So this is the form here. So I can start putting the name, for instance, and I say I'm male. Go to the next, bachelor's, go to the next. I can say I am 39, go to the next. 9 boys, go to the next. You see, so this is my form number of, you see. So here now I can just keep okay. Say sorry, this response invalid. Okay, it means that here it was 3 boys, go to the next. 3 girls, go to the next. You see, so now you see, so these are the forms. Now I want to take the date. Okay, and I want to also set the time. Okay, and then go to the next, and then you see, and then my Joe point, I want to take my Joe point. You see, so I allow it to calibrate, and I'll choose this one for the sake of this video, and I go to next. You see now, and then I go to next, and then next, and then age 6. You know, so this is just how we can do this form, and your data collectors are going to be doing this as they are in the field. All you do is to guide them and make sure that they do it properly. Okay, so this is how you can connect your Kobotoolbox system into your phone through the app and start collecting data. Thank you very much, and stay blessed.